Good morning everyone, and welcome to another live webinar. How are you doing, guys, today? Is everyone doing all right? Yes. So we are ready to start. Let's just go quickly through the markets. We would like to make this a little bit shorter in duration so everyone can be can watch them much more effective. So let's start with the Australian dollar, US dollar. This is the 4-hour time frame. At this point here, guys, I think we need to draw it. We need our drawing tool, of course. So at this point here, the price retraced a little bit backward yesterday, found support at this S1 inside support as we marked on our chart, and now it's bouncing upwards. That's what we see from the chart here. Now we do expect it that this is going to continue to moving upwards, but again, we are not that convinced by these candles here, so a bit weird with the Australian dollar. New Zealand dollar, it looks like still more on the seller side. I'm still holding this trade, so I'm looking more for shorts today on the Kiwi. Euro, it found some support once it closed above that monthly high on the February, and it looks like that today we're going to see, at least for this London trading session, we're going to see some more continuation. Be mindful that there is a very shorter block here and also some kind of resistance over there, so mark this on your chart. Next one, Great British Pound against the US dollar. More weakness on the pound, as we see from the price action, guys, that the price was traded like bearish, and then at some point 3 inside candles inside of this bearish candle, and maybe a sell off will occur afterwards. Next one on the list, USD CAT. We mentioned that somewhere at this region we will be much interested to take some short positions. Yep. And the price printed yesterday this interesting bearish inside candle, and it's selling off. So let's see what's going to happen if we're going to continue moving lower on this one here. USD Swissy, I still believe that on the USD Swissy, this support here, it can help the price to move upwards. I'm not that much convinced by the sellers from these small candles here, but let's see what's going to happen. USD JPY, if we go on the daily chart, we see that market is in a downtrend, but on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like it's retracing back to the upside. Keep in mind, guys, if you see the price retesting this area here, maybe we will experience some selling pressure. Okay. Pound yen, price made this low here, and since then the market didn't make another low, to be honest, lower than this one. Let's see if today the sellers will continue pressing this market lower. Euro JPY, nice support here at the weekly low. Here it's a weekly low, and the price found some support on the 4-hour time frame. Many tradable opportunities yesterday around this area. If you drill down to the 1-hour chart, you can see a double bottom here, bullish candles. Okay, this one occurred today during the Asian session. Next one on the list, euros, still looking for short, as well as pound Oz. Remember, we did our analysis, and on weekly chart we spot that this is a selling area, and the market on the 4-hour time frame, it regained some, it came up to 50% Fibonacci retracement, 61.8 in this zone. So let's see what's gonna happen later on. UK 100, for those that are interested, this trades sideways. We have this monthly resistance here, so if you're trading until here, it's the room of opportunity. S&P 500, we mentioned that if this bearish engulfing candle will create a new market structure and make a low lower than this one here, but it didn't happen. So let's see if this is going to continue, or the price maybe it's going to find some support from this region here. Okay guys, next one, US 30 on the daily chart. Yesterday rejection around this weekly low, and probably the price wants to continue a bit further to the upside. There is a resistance area here if you're going to trade the 4-hour time frame, so keep that in mind. Guys, any questions, please put them on the chat below. And next one, gold on the daily chart. Finally, we're gonna experience some retracement maybe. So price yesterday ended up as an inside candle, this one here, and we expect it to move lower and create some retracement. And the US oil, the price on the daily chart found some support on the 20-period moving average. On the 4-hour time frame, this low point here we marked, that was the previous week's low, or 2 weeks ago, no, previous week's low, acted as a support factor, and the price moved upward. Bitcoin still on the roof, it broke above the 70,000, now it's hitting all the way to the 73, so still bullish on this one, as well as with Ethereum. It surpassed the mark of the $4,000, which is fantastic, and it keeps moving upward. Solana, same, it created a new higher high, but the big surprise yesterday was the XRP US dollar, that it went until this resistance we marked here on the daily chart, the 72 cents of the US dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, price most likely would come to fuel up some of these areas here. A good opportunity will arise maybe around the 65 cents, 64.4, 65 cents ideally, which it's a cluster of Fibonacci retracement. Guys, I think that's all for today. As I said, we're gonna try to keep this webinar more compact, so it's easy to come back later on and rewatch them again. For those who are, of course, who are new here and they don't know it yet, you can go to our website here at MarketMindsMastery.com. I will share the link, and guys, please make sure that you are aware we are offering one-on-one coaching. And once you click there, here it's a brief introduction. You can book if you don't want to book directly, or if you have any questions, you can pre-book a free 15-minute session with me, introductory session. Okay, or if you know me for a while and you need to surpass that, you can directly go to book your one-on-one coaching packages. We do, you can do in one payment or in 2 payments. Okay, This one it's for 6 sessions and it's only $5.49, and this is for 10 sessions and it's a bit more discounted to just $7.99. Okay, we cover everything. I can help you with your existing trading plan. I can create a trading plan for you with you, and it's really, really, really valuable to have one-on-one coaching if you want to develop yourself a bit better as a trader. Okay, so guys, I will leave you with this, and I wish to everyone to have a fantastic day ahead, and I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much.